Que hola, mi gente. Hope everybody's doing well. Mental health, physical health, and all that good stuff. So right now, I'm gonna open this box up. Get this out. It's an LED ticker, like stocks and stuff like that. So you probably see me with one of them in my video in the past. Okay. There we go. Because my address is still on it, so I'm not trying to show that. That's why I keep doing this. Do this. And, you can go to, I'm going to leave the link in the bio as to where I got it from. But as you see, it says LED tickers. So, real quick, it comes with an adapter, of course. Thank God it comes with this. Because, as you already know, a lot of times, like, what is that called? There's a ticker that everybody has. I use it for social media. I forgot what it is, but I have one. It does not come with one. It just comes with a USB, but it doesn't come with the AC adapter. This one does. Let's see. Gotta be careful. So, it comes with this. This is where you would go to order it, but you'd have to do this to set everything up. I'm going to set everything up in a video, so you can put stocks, crypto, everything. See all the stuff you can do, custom API, custom text, custom image. You can do a countdown, travel time, route type, sports, live events, all of this, because this works on your Wi-Fi. So you got stocks and cryptos, and another thing so is good has portfolio mode. So what you can do is in portfolio mode, it actually have, like, you put in on your phone, put in the amount of shares you have to a specific stock. It'll let you know if you gained or lost anything. I don't really know the refresh on it, but I believe it's live. I'll find out more information when I do. I'm going to do another video to this because you have to set everything up on your phone. This is not just set it up and that's it, It does the weather, which I love. Clock, of course. Seconds, display. So it does all of that. Yeah. So I will plug it in, just let you see what it looks like when it first comes on. It does have firmware updates, which is great. I'm just going to say something. As you already know, when it comes to betas are not the official release. So you have to really be careful on you updating it to a beta. Because I did that, and thankfully it sent me a new one. So this is my new one. But it was working. I bought this in 2020 or 2019. And I bought my first one, and so that's it, But like I said, thankfully they sent me a new one. Yeah, so let's just plug it in and see how everything looks, because I forgot. Now you do have the plug on this side, right? And that's it. That's all you need. That's literally all you need. But you do have to take off all the other stuff. So I see it has two. You can hang it on the wall with these. I'm gonna show you my setup when I finish everything. Take this off. is all protective of the wood. Right? Take the top one off. Take the side one off. I mean, clearly, I don't know. I don't really have to say all of this, but yeah. And the bottom one. And then you gotta take the front panel cover off. Now for this, because this is actually where the magic actually happens. So, okay, gonna take it off this way. Gotta be more careful. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, if I want to stay on here, you gotta come off, buddy. There we go. Also, I'm just going to say to you guys that are into stocks and crypto, I hope that you guys are doing well in the stock market, because as we already know what's going on in the world, economically, et cetera, et cetera. So I hope that you guys are doing your research and putting more stocks into maybe dividend yielding stocks, or maybe some, the S&P 500 or Vanguard, or anything like that. But let me just plug it in. And I'm not giving information on what to do. It's just an opinion. Okay. Let's plug this in. Let's see. I was going to say, I think it's going to say something like initial setup or something. But I'm using the phone that I would have to use to do this. I'm using the phone. So this is when you first plug it in. This is all I was going to say. Legitimately, this is it. Because you got to go online and set up with your IP address. It's not going to move from here. So come back, I'll let you guys see how everything looks and how it is. All right, like and subscribe. Thank you. I love you guys. Okay, hola mi gente. Right now, this is the LED ticker that I bought. You see the weather? Okay, next couple of hours. Now we'll go. You see the chart, right? That's the stock chart, clearly. Apple. It's gonna run through the ones that I put on here. You can put, I don't know how many you can put on. I'm not sure, but it's a lot. It's over 50. You can put over 50. There's also a portfolio mode. There's you can put sports on here. It can track the sports even as it is live. The sport, like let's say the New York Giants are playing right now. You can definitely have that on there. Yeah. Does the date, as you can see, doesn't do the year. I'm not sure if it does that. Does the time. You can change the color of the time. You can change it to white, red, whatever you want. The date, change the date color. I just have it in the stock ticker's color. That's the thing you can do, or else these will all be white if I'm not mistaken. So, yeah, this is a pretty neat ticker. And I think this is the best ticker that I've seen because of the amount of real estate that it has. You can find it on Etsy.com. I will leave a link in the description. But yeah, so this is pretty neat. I don't have any sports. This right here is a chart for when the sun goes up, when it goes down. That's why you saw I think it was 6 p.m. and 7 in the morning. That's when the sun went up. The sun was coming up, and the sun went down at 6:11. Is it worth to buy? Yes. definitely, if you care about maybe sports or just keeping up with what's going on economically as far as the stock market, you can definitely put in S&P, uh, Dow Jones, all that. You can definitely put all of that in there. There's an app that it uses, and you can do all of that. It has to be connected to your internet. So even if your phone is off, it's on your Wi-Fi. So you don't have to worry about your phone it getting updates from your phone because it uses its own API, if I'm not mistaken. So it's really worth it. Like I said, it's LED tickers. I believe I think that's a website. If not, I bought this from Etsy. You'll find this on Etsy. I'm not sure how much they cost. I'm really not sure. But it's real worth it. It's really worth it. So, like I said, like and subscribe. I'm gonna try to give you guys more videos. Kind of let me know in the description or in the comment section. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see, what unboxings you want to see, like maybe the new Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 or the Galaxy S23 Ultra, if I'm not mistaken. That's what the new one is. Yeah, so just let me know. All right. Peace.